mistook my solitude for loneliness. Thought quiet meant defeat. I've seen crowded rooms feel colder than an empty midnight street. If I must shrink to fit a room, I'll trade my identity to stay. I'd rather choose an empty road than sell myself away. If belonging costs my integrity, I won't negotiate. I'd rather stand alone than be politely tolerated. So I found a different language to quiet my mother tongue. Learn how to speak in steady tones when judgment had begun. Steel and throttle, wind and roll, said more than words aloud. Didn't need to prove my name to feel it spoken loud. I turned the key and the engine answered back. It knew my name when the world turned its back. I found my voice in the sound of that machine. Every mile I rode gave a piece of me back to me. And the engine answered back. It knew my name when the world turned its back. Slipped that helmet over my head, felt the world go quiet and small. Tinted shield between my face and every judging wall. No one saw my history, no one weighed my name. Invisible rider in the distance with no one to lay blame. Out there in the wind with the risk in my hands, my soul felt safer than it ever did with her. Survival drew the line. Every curve